Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing the Yeehaw Macro Pad. I purchased this during group buy, I can't remember exactly when, from squashkb. I've had it for a few weeks now and it's about time we open this thing up. Let's hop over here and check out the product page. So the Yeehaw Macro Pad is touted as the perfect way to show people how Texan you truly are. I purchased one so you don't have to be a Texan to enjoy it. I thought this was just too unique and hilarious not to purchase a couple of them. The base kit includes 3 FR4 plates, which is going to be your plate, your PCB, your bottom plate. Comes with the reset button, sockets, Pro Micro, mounting hardware, everything you need to build a working case. There was an optional add-on kit that was available that included RGB LEDs, an encoder, a metal knob, and a 3D printed star-shaped knob. There was keycaps that were available that included 15 DSA blanks to fill out your board to make it look like the Texas flag as is depicted in that photo right there. Obviously it's a kit you're gonna have to solder. There's not a hot swap option for this. So that's about it. Let's hop into this thing and see what we got here. I really like this tape, by the way, with their logo on it. All right, let's set this down. There we go. Let me move that out of the way. Of course, my shipping address was right there for everyone to see. So, I've got bubble wrap and then some typical white tissue paper. I've got 2 3D printed cases. I ordered the red and the blue. I couldn't remember what the heck I ordered. Let's see what we got here hardware-wise. Ooh. A new sticker. I always love getting a new sticker to put in my box of stickers. So it looks like the star knobs are white. It did also include a silver rotary encoder knob, standard rotary encoder knobs, same ones I sell in my website, 2 EC11 rotary encoders. This one's green. Usually the ones that I've seen have been blue on the plastic, but I don't think that's going to make any difference. Looks like we have, oh, they even include socketing pins for your Pro Micro, which I will be using an Elite C. When I do the build, we've got our reset button, we got bump-ons, we got M2 screws and standoffs. So, of course, 2 Pro Micros. Let's take a look at the PCBs. Looks like I ordered, I'm assuming, white and black from the W&B that is on there. Not to be confused with the TV network that was popular in the 90s. So, and these are, I don't know, I think these are awesome, dude. These things are too unique, man, too cool. Now they need to make one for my state, which is North Carolina, for anyone that's wondering. So, oh wow. So even here on the PCB, if you look, it actually is designated with the cities in Texas on the PCB. I gotta say, that is brilliant. That is a touch that I was not expecting. I didn't see anything about that in the initial group buy information. That is amazing. Great attention to detail there, squashkb. I am very stoked on building this thing. I don't think it's got a whole lot of practical use. It's, you know, it's not a numpad, but it definitely is going to make for an interesting and exciting macro pad. I don't know how much use it will see. So I'm assuming it's going to go this way, which seems like they would print the photos on top, or not the photos, but the city locations on top. But hey, this is pretty cool. I've got to say, this is definitely more unique than your standard numpad layout or the little small 3 or 4 key macro pads that you see all the time. I think it's really cool. I think those of you that picked them up, such as myself, are really going to have a interesting macro pad to show off to people, and, you know, be a nice conversation starter. If you got a friend from Texas, you know, couldn't hurt to have it sitting on their desk at work. I'm sure it would get a lot of comments from the co-workers. But yeah, so this is the Yeehaw Macro Pad. We've unboxed it here. I got the add-on kits. So it looks like the LEDs are, is it SK6812, the 3.5 millimeter LEDs that are a giant pain in my butt a lot of times, but looks like it should be simple. They're not the ones that normally sit into the hole. Looks like the lighting is underneath, so it's actually going to do no good in this case. Wonder if they would print the case in reverse. Probably not. But regardless, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you haven't, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope to see you for the next video. Have a great rest of your day, guys.